Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on adding a table of contents on Wix. So in this video, we will be adding a table of contents which is an essential element for any website, especially when you're talking about blogs, your documentations, or knowledge bases. So I hope that it will help you and your visitors quickly navigate your content and find out what they're looking for. So in this tutorial, we will be showing you how to create the table of content on Wix that is both functional and visually very appealing. So we will cover the basics of creating a table of content, customizing its design, and making it very responsive. So, with Wix you can create the table of contents that fits your brand, your style of your website. You can customize their layout, your font, color, and the design elements to match your website's design. So let's just get started. The process is very simple, very easy. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com, where you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and it is going to direct you to your home screen or your dashboard. As I always say, if you are a newbie, then you must not know how to create a website, and I will be guiding you simply through that process too. Otherwise, you can check out the other videos as well. But if you are a previous user, then this is the type of the website page that must appear on your screen. You're going to select any site that you're looking for, and this type of the site must appear on your screen. Let's just say I am going to twist it to the desktop mode. But if you are not a previous user and you don't know how to create the website, then I'm going to guide you quickly. Click on Create New Site, and after that it is going to ask you a few simple questions that you need to answer. For instance, I'm going to set up without chat. You can set up without chat, or you can start with chat as well. Now it is asking me that what type of the website do you want to create. It could be an online store, it could be a portfolio, a blog, consultant, technology, restaurant, even, and much more. I am going to skip this part, but you can answer these according to your preferences. Answering these questions are also very beneficial because it is going to help Wix decide and help you find out the template of your choice. Now it has directed me to my dashboard. Okay. So here you need to answer a few simple questions like what would you like to call your website? This will be used to customize your online experience, but I am going to simply skip this part. What are your goals for this site? These could be the selling products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work, offer services, just explore, promote myself, or promote business. Or you can also skip this step. Now you need to choose the app you would like to add. There are so many options like online store, booking, events, and much more. You can choose any one of these, but if you are not looking for any apps yet, then you can skip this, because later when they are going to set your site, then it is going to give you the option to add apps again. Now I'm going to continue to my dashboard. Here, after it has directed you to your dashboard, make sure everything is set, and after that you are going to go to your design site. Now this is one of the most crucial steps, because here you need to decide how would you like to design your website. Either you would like to generate a design with AI, or you would like to customize a template. Let's just say that I am going to pick a template because I am not looking for much of a labor route, or you can say that I don't have any idea of my own and I don't want to start something from the scratch. Then I'm going to click on the template picking option. Here you see there are numerous templates and you can choose any one of these, and let's just say I'm looking for a more simple option. I'm going to click on edit. Now this is going to direct me to my dashboard. You see, now you would be able to add the table of content that is going to improve the user experience of your site. It is going to help visitors quickly find the table of content they're looking for. Similarly, I hope that it will be helping the viewers reduce the bounce rates and improve engagement, enhancing the overall navigation and the usability of your website. So this is how they're going to help out. Now this has created and prepared my site. You see all of the options are completely secured, so I can use any of these options. Now you see I am going to head over to my left bar. You'll see the option of adding elements, add section, menu, and much more. I'm going to go to my CMS. Here I need to add it to my site. When I add it to my site, I head over to this option of add elements. After moving to add element, you see so many options, but you need to head over to list. After moving to the list, you see tables. You can choose any of these tables. And here you see there are so many options of table. You can choose any of these. Let's just say I'm looking for this. Now you would be able to drag it down to wherever you want to place it. Let's just say I would like to place it over here. And after that, you are going to manage your table and help you customize it. You see there's an option of manage table. You can change the profile pictures here. By clicking on the three options, you can edit the field name, or you can edit the candidates, the applied, the number of positions, and emails. Moreover, after that, you will be going to the settings. Here you see click select nothing, rows or cells. Let's just say cells. Link opens in new window or current window. You can also choose on current window, let's just say, and you can also change the date of the format. Here you see, now I'm going to change the layout. It could be automatic, it could be the column with the length, or it could be customizable. Okay, so you can also show the header if you want. If you don't want it, then you can, hide the header as well, and much more. This is how you will be giving the final touches to your table. You can also use any of the other table as well. Let's just say I'm looking for this purple one. I'm going to click on this, or you can also customize the design. Now you can also stretch this to its full width, or if you don't want it, you are simply going to skip this part. Here you see there is an option of connecting to the CMS. As you know, I have already added the CMS to my site, so you can manage the content from your CMS as well. So this is how you're going to add your table, and then you are going to manage it. And after you're done giving the final touches, you can simply, adding final touches to your table of content by adjusting the spacing, the paddings, or making sure that it looks great in all the designs and all the websites. You can switch it out on the mobile mode to check it out how it is going to appear on your mobile mode. So this is how it will look on my mobile mode, or you can also switch it to your desktop mode. If you're done editing, you are going to preview it, and this is how it is going to appear. You can edit the names, you can edit the profile pictures, you can also delete these. Clicking this, you will be able to delete this, or you can edit the names. You can go to the navigation, you can pin it to the screen if you want. You can also unpin this element. You can do whatever you want to your table. After you're done giving the final touches to your table, you are going to save it, or you can also publish it. So you have successfully added a table of content in Wix. With these steps, you can create the table of content that is going to help your visitors navigate your website content very easily. So yeah, I have given you the brief introduction. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next tutorial.